Hey, what is going on, guys? My name is FLAMINGTEXT and I'm gonna let you show something different right now. I'm gonna show you how I make my thumbnails. So here we go. I cannot always look into the camera. This is me. So this is the recording I'm recording with OBS, so you can see my PC screen. So we're gonna use this program, online photo editor. It's called pixlr.com/editor. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Now from here we're gonna create a new picture. So it's in Dutch, so it says create new picture, but I'm gonna put it in English after the settings. So I'm gonna click this one, and I'm also gonna name this one for a new live stream of Forza Horizon 3. So live for let's just do live FH3, and then 12 Feb 2018. There you go. Okay, this thing needs to be this thing you don't have to change, but this thing you do. So we got whiteness and we got height. So the whiteness needs to be at 1280, if you guys can see that, and the height needs to be at 720. I can zoom it in for you guys, maybe. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, okay, you can see. Damn it, you can't see now. Okay, there we go. 1280 by 720 and 800 by 600. Oh yeah, and you also need to do it in transparent. So I just need to check out if everything is cool. 1280 by 720, yep, that's all cool. So now we're going to File, then we're gonna go to Open Image, and I'm making a lot of live streams of Forza Horizon 3, and I'm making my own thumbnails there. It's so hard in English. Okay, let's see, we need a nice picture. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay, to select this picture you need to hold Control A, then it's selecting, then Control V, that's copying, then you need to move the picture, and we're going here, then you need to hit Control V. God damn it, I'm doing it wrong now. No, I'm doing it wrong. Why? Okay, Control A, C, Control V, okay, and then Control V. Come on, there you are. Okay, and from there we're gonna hit the move tool, and also we're clicking on image, and we're gonna wait, what? Oh no, it's edit and then free transform, and then you see there is a whole line, and you can hit with shift. Just hold shift to pan the picture. As you can see, it's getting smaller now, and then you can position it to your thumbnail. Okay, I'm gonna hit this button, and do you want to apply the changes? Yes. Okay, now we're going to PNGs. So I'm gonna show you how to download a PNG. So I'm doing a lot of streams of Forza, of course. So I'm doing Forza Horizon 3, oh my god, every time I'm doing it wrong. Forza Horizon 3 and then PNG. That's the word you wanna look for, otherwise you get all dumb pictures. So as you can see, there's a logo of Forza Horizon 3 here, and it's checkered. Now the checkered thing, that is for your thumbnail. So you can only see the text and the logo. So I already set it up on my computer, of course. So I'm just gonna hit File, Open Image. From there we're gonna go to PNG pictures. It's in Dutch, of course, because I'm a Dutchman. But we're going to this thing, and we have a Forza Horizon 3 logo. Now we do the same thing again. We're gonna select the picture, of course. We're gonna hit Control A, that's selecting, then Control C, that's copying, then we're going to this picture and we hit Control V. and there you go. Now the logo is on my thumbnail. So we're gonna hit the move tool again, and we're gonna go to edit, free transformation, hold shift, and then you can enlarge the PNG. So I'm doing it like this, or I'm leaving it on the original size like this. Here we go. Okay, do you want to apply the changes? Yes. Okay, now I'm gonna do another one, and I'm in the same map again. Now I'm gonna go to a live PNG. So here we have a live PNG. Now it's the same thing. Control A, Control C, and Control. Oh wait, click on the thumbnail and then hit Control V. There you go. Now it says live. And I'm gonna put this one over here, a little bit above maybe. There we go. Okay, that's cool. Now there is something more cooler in texting. So you can choose the text from here, but you can also go to this site. Yes, and we're gonna go to FLAMINGTEXT.com. As you can see, guys, there's a lot of fonts which you can choose around from. It's all free, so you can make your own logo right here. I'm using this font very much, so I'm taking this thing. And let's see, I'm gonna go to the end thing. Yeah, there we go. We're gonna hit caps lock. That's gonna make it look bigger, of course. Okay, and then we're gonna do this. And you can also yeah, you can enlarge it with this thing. So I'm gonna pick it to 100. Now you're gonna hit the background, and you want to make it transparent. So there you go. Now it's transparent. Now you see all checkers. So I'm gonna color my my font like this. There we go. Text. Now we're gonna hit next. Here we go. We're gonna hit download, and now it's in the downloadable maps, of course. So we're going back to online photo editor. I'm gonna hit open. Same thing again. Control A, Control C. That's copying, and Control V. There you go. Now it's a little bit too big, so we're just gonna go to the move tool. We're gonna go to the edit tool, and we're gonna hit the free transform button. There we go. We hit the shift button, and then you can make the text smaller. Sorry. Okay, let's see. Gonna do it a little bit like this, maybe. I don't know. Yeah, let's put it on this way. Now the live button is blocked. Okay, yes, that's one. Okay. You can click the layers. So we got layer 4, that's the text. Layer 3, that is the live thing. So you can still move it up over here maybe, or over there, doesn't matter. Or you can also put it over here, and then of course edit tool again and go to free transform. Then you can also do this a little bit. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little bit like this. Normally I'm not doing it this way, but you can get the picture there, and there you go. Hit A. So this is my thumbnail for my next live stream, giving away 1 million credits every 30 likes. I forgot to hit a point there. And so I can save it up, and we're gonna do that right now. So we're gonna go to file, we're gonna go to save, and the text is already in. Quality can be on high, 100%. Format needs to be on a JPEG to get really good thumbnails. So there you go. I'm saving it up to my list, to my map. So we got new thumbnails ready to upload. A few thumbnails I made. So this is a thumbnail I made for Forza Horizon 3, of course, and this is a thumbnail I made yesterday. without the extra point in there. You cannot see it. Okay. And here we have a Knuckles thing given away. Trials Fusion. This is a template for Trials Fusion series, so I can just put some things under it from Trials Fusion, of course. And we got some Planet Coaster with me in the thumbnail. That's also cool. I can just make screen pictures with my movies. So we got a few things in there, and you can also get the PNGs in there. But you can use every PNG you want, guys. So if you want a PNG from Dragon Ball Z or something else, just go to Google and type in Dragon Ball. Oh my god. Okay, Dragon Ball Z. Then we hit the PNG, of course. As you can see, as long as it's checkered, you can copy it. So if you want to use it for your thumbnails, you go to picture, save picture as, and then you're gonna save it to your hard drive. There you go. Now I can delete all these things. Here you go. And I can copy the picture we just saved. English. So here's the Dragon Ball Z thing. There you go. Then we hit Control A, Control C. Gonna go to the thumbnail and Control V. As you can see, now I got all Super Saiyans. Now we're gonna go to Move Tool, Edit, Free Transform. Hold Shift to crop your picture and still get the right size. As you can see, the Ginyu Force is also in there. You can also move the picture like this. Really cool to do. You can also do this a little bit. Yeah, and that way you can get your thumbnails on a really good clickbait level. That's also the point of YouTube, to make really good thumbnails so people actually click on it. So we got Dragon Ball Z and Forza Horizon 3, but it's a good thumbnail. I'm still gonna save it though. It's a nice thumbnail. We're just gonna hit the extra one on it. Otherwise, it's gonna save over the other one. So that's it. There we go. This is just a test for it. But as you can see, I got a lot of pictures here in there, but this is the actual thumbnail. And we got a message from Hawkwinds, which I'm gonna look at after this video. So yeah, guys, this was my thumbnail maker. It's called pixlr.com. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Also gonna leave this link in the description of FLAMINGTEXT.com. You can pick your own flaming text for your thumbnails. This was my thumbnail maker video. Hope you like it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Goodbye.